Need a wallet that's unlike anything else? Sweet. I'm about to take you through the whole setup, start to finish. Stick with me, because getting this right depends on the details. Want to turn a meme coin into a cash machine? Your playbook is right here. I'm revealing the exact system that worked for me. No secrets held back. Time's ticking though. Blink and you'll miss this wave. Time for some real talk. Pump.fun is washed up. The signal-to-noise ratio is completely broken with all the junk flooding the platform. Early adopters made bank. Now it's just a trap for the uninformed. The writing's been clear for months. Bail while you can. New day. Same story. Another flood of copycat meme coins. What is your plan to avoid ending up like them? Time to migrate to Radium. That's where the real action is. Pump.fun's numbers look pathetic in comparison. Stop fighting for scraps in that crowded space. We've got deep pools ready to work for us. And you see those minus 99% charts? That's our golden opportunity to make power plays. Fewer distractions equals more attention on your coin. Check the charts. Projects here moon like crazy. But fair warning, you better know programming like the back of your hand if you want to play. The dev requirement barrier just got nuked. Launchtool.io completely democratizes Radium launches. This changes everything. Legitimate token creation is now accessible to everyone. What you thought you knew about crypto launches, it's all obsolete now. So here's the first objective. Crafting our token's personality. Fire up Canva and start a crisp 128 by 128 canvas. Now hunt down the internet's most hilarious meme or silliest creature. That's up to you. I'm rolling with this Larry pick because it is literally me. Position it like a pro, hit download, and boom, instant crypto mascot. Here we go. Open Launch Tool and connect your Phantom wallet. Just one click here and you're in. Now for the good stuff. Naming our token. I'm going to name this Larry the Cat, and the symbol will be Larry. Get playful with the description if you're feeling inspired. Don't forget to drop that killer logo we created. Tap next and boom, we're already crushing it. Tokenomics time. And these aren't just numbers, they're battle-tested winners. We're using the identical structure that created so many winners. 1 billion tokens? That's not arbitrary. That's the industry gold standard. Click next and stay on target. This is the creator setup phase. That 0.1 Solana personalization option might look tempting, but that's not necessary at all. That skip button is your best friend. Those saved funds will be absolute gold when we hit the critical phases ahead. Here's the social media section. They'll ask for your socials here. But here's the reality check. Radium's built-in audience delivers more action than any post on Twitter or Telegram groups. Starting from scratch, this step is pure formality. Be efficient. Select skip, and invest that time in the next steps instead. Critical trust step. These three cannot be disabled. Here's why. Revoke freeze means freezing wallets. Biggest red flag ever. Revoke mint lets you create tokens endlessly that make alarm bells ring. Revoke update? You could change the terms later. That's a hard pass. Experienced traders inspect this first. Any funny business, and they're out. Understood? Great. Proceed with launch my token now. The wallet notification's coming any second. When it does, don't overthink it. Just click confirm. A split-second flash and that's it. Your token's locked into the blockchain forever. Major moves only. You've arrived, my friend. Now SolScan is where the real magic happens. Select that final launch tool option to watch your contract's live blockchain heartbeat. Brace yourself. Things light up fast. Next up, we're diving into the liquidity pool creation. Liquidity isn't just important, it's absolutely essential. Return to Launch Tool and click the second menu option to launch Radium's interface. You'll be automatically directed to liquidity setup with all default configurations. Step 1. Connect your Phantom wallet. My wallet links up immediately, but you may need to manually select it from the wallet icon. For your base token, you can use the address from either Launch Tool or SolScan. Both are acceptable. I'm selecting the first address option in Launch Tool. Paste that here, then input your token information. In my case, Larry is the symbol, and Larry the Cat is the name. Press Add User Token. Find your token in the list that appears, and that's it. 1 billion units are now at your command. Here's your liquidity blueprint. 900 million tokens deposited. Solana is the only quote token worth considering on Radium. Fully fund your position. Get ahead of the game by allocating 0.8 to 2 Solana. Remember to save or remove 0.2 Solana from your maximum amount for network fees. Pro tip: set your fee tier at 2% for maximum efficiency. Important note: You're holding all the cards with fees. My 2% suggestion is just a starting point. 0.5% could be your sweet spot, so try whatever you want. The final play incoming. Destroy that initialize liquidity pool button, confirm in your wallet, and mission complete. Your token is now live for the world to see. Quick verification step. Jump back into Photon and double check that the radium filter is activated. With just that simple toggle, you can see your token is officially open for business. As we speak, crypto sharks are sniffing out promising new listings, and yours just hit their radar. Chart check. Find your address from Launchtool or SoulScan. Doesn't matter where you grab this. Head to Dex Screener, open any token page, then switch out the address for yours. Voila. Instant metrics. The opening buys, just automated traders testing waters. But when that graph starts showing real growth, that's our moment. The deep pocket players are joining the party. Heads up, track your liquidity position in Radium by checking the standard section of your portfolio. Timing is weird, could materialize immediately or take a good while. No stress though, that's just the blockchain's quirky nature at work. It'll surface when it's good and ready. Well guys, our coin has been live for 12 minutes and has achieved a lot of movement, both buying and selling, all within the norm. For the time it has been live, it looks good. So let's continue to see how our liquidity rises. We've been here for 16 minutes, and look, we just got a purchase of $106. That would be about 0.7 Solana. It's not much, but everything that comes in is good for us. If we get more purchases of this style, we will be on top in no time. So let's continue to see how we are doing. And here we go guys, 19 minutes now, and we have one more purchase, this time for $116. That would be about 1.1 Solana. Not bad. Our liquidity, as you can see, is going up more and more. It jumped quite a bit since the last time, so let's keep watching. 24 minutes, and look at what I say is our last purchase for the day. $272. That's 1.8 Solana, the biggest so far. This is incredible guys. I told you, this method is infallible. Our liquidity through the air, so let's go. Buckle up for what's coming up next. Rewards incoming. Ensure your Phantom wallet is synced up. If not, just quick tap on the wallet icon. Jump into the standard view. Spot your liquidity stake and select the minus button. Mission control. We have profit launch. Go all in at 100%. We're clearing the board. Your Solana rewards are queued up, so pull the trigger. Slam that remove liquidity selector. Confirm in your wallet and observe the on-chain sorcery. This playbook is battle tested. Run this sequence for consistent wins. The stats don't lie. 90% success rate from 0 to hero. Pro tip. First movers feast while others scramble. Verify your digits, then strike fast. Timing is everything in this game.